Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge once again. The coin so many people have predicted to be the new Shiba Inu. Now, Shibadoge is about to get massive listening and also support from Bkex and XT.com. Right now, Shibadoge have about 5 listening. Of course, IndoES, L-Bank, Uniswap V2, Bitmart. We have top exchanges that have listed this coin, and the coin have been increasing gradually since the beginning of the year. Shibadoge actually sparked this year 2023. From January, we saw this coin started rising massively. If you compare Shibadoge from January to now and Shibadoge since the launch of this coin till December 2022, you discover that within the space of 3 months, Shibadoge gained what they have not gained for over 1 year, and I'm happy to see the coin is rising, increasing gradually with the market cap, and also the community is also increasing. Take a look at Shibadoge social media engagement. They have really increased. Now I'm so happy because the coin have a lot of zeros, and right now the main project is to reduce these zeros. Remember, reducing the zero Shibadoge have is a lot of percentage, because 1 0 is just about 1,000%, 2 0 is about 10,000%, while 3 0 is about 100,000%, and of course 4 0 is about 1,000,000%, while 5 0 is about 10,000,000%. Now it simply means out of the 16 zeros this coin have right now, if Shibadoge deletes 1 0, then must have gained 1,000%. That is 1,000 times 10 times of what you must have invested. That's a 1,000%. If you invest $100, you'll be getting about $1,000. Now 10,000% is about what? $100 to $10,000, and 100,000%, $100 returns $100,000. And of course 4 zeros, which is about 1,000,000%, $100 returns about $1 million, and 5 zeros, $100, which is 10,000,000%, $100 return about $10 million. That is Shibadoge analysis for you. Of course, Shiba Inu did it as of last 2 years. So right now our target is to see between 2 to 5 zeros if it is possible. We know it's going to be very difficult for this analysis to come to pass, but anything can happen. I definitely know all what this coin needs right now is time. So with time, we can see this coin in the nearest future deleting between 2-3 zeros. Okay, but for me, I'm still going for 1 or 2 zeros, because that is a lot of money. It means 10 times what I have, or of course 100 times what I have. So I'll be happy to see this coin deleting about 1 to 2 zeros. Now, great support coming from Bkex and SSL.com. SSL.com is also one of the top exchanges, and Bkex have been supporting so many small cap coins. Bkex have, take a look at Tectonic token, okay, even Terra Classic is being also traded mostly on Bkex. So for me, Bkex and SSL.com coming fully for Shibadoge is going to be amazing. That was the time they listed Shibadoge. I don't know right now, according to CoinMarketCap, I no longer see Bkex listening, but I believe very soon with decent plan they have for Shibadoge, everything definitely going to fall out well. So let's keep on supporting Shibadoge, and let's hope all the best come for Shibadoge. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.